Uh-oh. That don't look good. Let's see. I'm blinking. Ignition proving failure. What? Didn't even try to light. One, two, three. Yeah, that's what I was saying. 34 didn't even try to light. Doesn't have an LP switch on it. Interesting. That thing is good and melted. Maybe this heat exchanger has been changed already. I think it has been. I think that's from before. The heat exchanger looks like it's been changed out, but that's not to say it's failed. This thing's in bad shape. Bad shape. Let's see. 34, that doesn't even make sense. Code 12. Let's see. Filtrate filter horrible. Let me let this thing try to start up again. Let's see. No voltage on the pressure switch. Did something quick. No voltage yet. Oh, look. Damn thing was switched off. I don't even have any voltage on it. valve shut off? Oh my lord. What's going on here? Just make sure the lights with the cover on. Lights. This is really stupid. Let's see. So the customer changed propane providers, and I think they came down here and shut everything off. Before they changed, they ran this tank way dry. That's what he was saying. He ran it all the way down before he got the tank changed. So I think the propane guys came down here, shut that off. Yeah. And that's why I'm here. That's stupid. Let's try it again. Guess I got light down here. Lights up. Alright, let me get out of here. At least we got a nice crawl space. Alright, so the deal with this one is he had his propane tank. Changed out. He switched companies, so he had to run the other one way down. And so either apparently he just totally ran out, or I don't know. I go, how long ago was this? He's like 3 weeks ago. I go, you been without heat for 3 weeks? He's like, well, the main furnace, he's got 2 furnaces in the house. That furnace is just for a master bedroom on one side of the house. And he's like, yeah, it's been 3 weeks. I'm like, okay. He's like, I went down there, putzed around with it, called Carrier, whatever. This guy is kind of a pain in my butt because he's a smart guy, he's a doctor, but he's also super, super cheap. And like that furnace, I recommended replacing that furnace 2 times, and over a 4-year span. I recommended it this time. This is the 3rd time I recommended it. Nope, he's not going to change it until it totally craps out. So he's the kind of guy that he won't call us unless it's broken. He won't call us for maintenance, nothing. So, and every time I bring something up to him, he just doesn't want to do it. So there's a reason why I just kind of walked away from what was there, got it up and running, because anything I say or do with this guy, he will not do it. So the only time he's going to do anything is when that thing just completely quits. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But I think he ran out of propane, and then the furnace coated out. He didn't reset it. But then he said yesterday he went down and shut the main valve off, but I think the propane guy shut the gas valve off in the furnace. So I think that's what happened. So sometimes you know your customers, and sometimes you just gotta walk away from them. There's good customers and bad customers. Not bad customers, just customers that just don't want to listen to you. So, but you know, that's what are you gonna do? That's what he wants to do. So let him do what he wants to do, whatever makes you happy. But I'm not gonna sit there and try to convince him to buy a furnace, even though he needs it. I'm just not gonna do it because I know the outcome. Sometimes you know your customers and sometimes you don't. Now, if that was a customer that, I don't know, maybe a new customer, then I would spend some time with them. But this guy, there's no way. So that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. My son's still going through the, you know, the chemo for his bone cancer. Hit up the GoFundMe because, you know, it's hard on the family with prescriptions and so on. It's just been really hard. I haven't been working that much. Let's say sometimes three days a week, sometimes 4 days a week. I'm working, but it's getting hard to pay the bills. Let's put it that way. It's putting a lot of stress on the family. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe. I appreciate everything. And like, subscribe, watch the videos. That helps the situation too. I make a little money off that, not much, but it is something. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.